We all know that speaking English daily is important, but sometimes it can feel hard to even start. You might think, what should I talk about today? That's exactly why we've designed the 30 Days Self-Speaking English Challenge. In this challenge, we give you a simple, relatable situation from your everyday life, along with a way to describe it while doing that activity. This approach helps you learn easy, everyday vocabulary, and gradually get used to speaking English naturally. So, without further delay, let's move on to another everyday moment that you can describe while doing it.
Day 8, when I have my periods. Whenever I have my periods, the first thing I notice is a little discomfort in my body. Sometimes I wake up feeling heavy, with mild cramps in my stomach or lower back. It makes me slower in the morning, and I feel like resting a bit more than usual. I try to go about my normal routine, but small things feel harder. Simple tasks like getting ready, walking around, or even sitting for a long time can feel tiring. I usually carry an extra pad in my bag, just in case, because I don't want to be caught unprepared when I'm outside. During the day, I drink more water, and try to eat light, healthy food. Sometimes warm tea helps me feel better, especially if I'm having cramps. If the pain is stronger, I place a hot water bag on my stomach, and it gives a bit of relief. My mood also changes. I may feel a little irritated or low, even without any reason. These mood swings make me more sensitive than usual, and I try not to take them too seriously. That's when I remind myself it's normal, and it will pass in a few days. If I'm at home, I focus on being comfortable. I wear loose baggy clothes, take short breaks to rest, and keep little things nearby that make me feel cozy, like chocolate, a soft blanket, or my favorite playlist. These small comforts help me get through the day with a bit more ease. At night, I make sure to change before sleeping, so I don't have to worry. I spread an extra sheet on the bed just to feel safe. Still, sleeping can be a struggle. Sometimes I keep turning from side to side, either because of cramps or just the constant thought of leaking. It takes a while to settle down, but once I finally find a comfortable position, I manage to rest. Even though periods aren't easy, I remind myself that they're a natural part of life. Taking care of myself, staying clean, and being gentle with my body makes the days a little easier. And once it's over, I always feel lighter, refreshed, and ready to get back to my usual routine.